Okay, I took her out from the showroom. While I'm at it, just want to show you the paint job. Look at that reflection. I mean, this is, it's almost like glass. Perfect body, gorgeous paint job, beautiful lines. There's one good looking car. And look at that. Ford 350, all aluminum racing motor, blower, liquid cooled intercooler, custom made trick flow fuel injection. This is the power brake system I was telling you about. So that one is actually a very fancy system to not have the big round booster would be back there normally. That is actually your pressure reserve. And let me actually close this properly. I'm doing this with one hand. It's not exactly the easiest thing. Okay, forget the pins. I'll just do that later. Just wanted you to hear it start. You hear that noise? Listen to it. That is something else, my friend. Even just idling, it just, you know that there's something under there that is just not normal. Let me see if I can. I don't know how much you saw that, but the underside of the car, you'll see in the picture on the website, is just as nice. Well, that's all I got, man. This is, I mean, these two cars together next to each other would be something else. Anyway, hope you loved it.